With the Gravity Forms Postmark add-on, you can integrate your forms with Postmark to reliably send form notification emails. Postmark is optimized to ensure transactional emails, such as form notification emails, make it to users' inboxes and avoid their spam folders. Let's take a look at how to integrate Gravity Forms with Postmark. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and install and activate the Postmark add-on. Next, log into your Postmark account, or create a new account for free using the link in the description. You'll then need to add your domain name as a sender signature, which will allow you to prove to Postmark that you control the domain name that you're sending emails from. Select Sender Signatures and then select Add Domain or Signature. You'll be presented with the option to add a domain or add a sender signature. Adding a domain will allow you to send emails from any address on a domain, whereas adding a single signature will only allow you to send from a single email address on a domain. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on simply adding a sender signature, but a full guide on adding a domain can be found on our blog, linked in the description. Select Add Sender Signature, then fill out the information on screen and select Create Signature. You'll then be sent a confirmation email at the email address you entered. Be sure to check your email and confirm your sender signature. Next, you'll need to set up a Postmark server for your WordPress site. A Postmark server can be thought of simply as a folder that helps you organize your email in Postmark. To create a server, go to the Servers tab and select Create Server. Give your server an appropriate name and select Live as the server type. Then, click the Create Server button. Next, you'll want to select Request Approval in order to request approval for your Postmark account to send live emails. Until your account is approved, your account will be in test mode and only able to send emails to your own domains. It's important that you get your Postmark account approved so that you can send emails to any address. The approval process should typically take 24 hours, or the following Monday if it's the weekend. You'll next be ready to connect your WordPress website to Postmark. Head to the Account section of your Postmark dashboard and select the API Tokens tab. Copy your account API token and save it in a secure location. We will use it in just a bit. Next, search for and select the server you created moments ago, and then select Get a Server API Token. Copy your server API token and store it with your account API token. Then, head to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Gravity Forms settings page, and select Postmark. Enter your account API token and your server API token, and then select Save Settings. You'll next need to head to the notification settings for the form with which you'd like to use Postmark to send notification emails. You can either edit an existing notification or create a new one. Within the settings area for that notification, set Postmark as the email service. You can also use the From email address field to see a drop-down list of all the available sender signatures you've added to Postmark. Be sure to save your changes when you're done. You're now ready to start sending notification emails using Gravity Forms and Postmark. And if you head back to the Postmark settings, you can even see the email statistics for all the emails sent using Postmark. Additionally, within your Postmark dashboard, you can head to your server, select Default Transactional Stream, and then select the Activity tab to see an overview of all emails that have been sent via Postmark. If you have any questions at all, please let us know in the comments. And if you're looking to send more than just your Gravity Forms notifications with Postmark, then be sure to check out Gravity SMTP. A WordPress SMTP plugin from the team behind Gravity Forms, With Gravity SMTP, you can send all your WordPress emails using Postmark, including all default WordPress notifications and emails from other plugins, including Gravity Forms and WooCommerce. Be sure to check out our Gravity SMTP Postmark video, linked in the description, to find out more. And for more Gravity Forms guides and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching.